evidence-based science, where dreams come true. This week I said I wanna taste every animal product there is in the world. Couple days later, we got a new one for you, boy. We got quail eggs. These little motherfuckers, should I eat them like this? I don't know. I don't want those shells. Never had quail eggs. I have had the quail ones, I think. This little glass. These little motherfuckers. They are expensive. What? They're already freaking wow. These motherfuckers look like boogers. They are good. Wow. Raw chicken, your eggs suck compared to quail eggs. Holy shit. These are good. The flavor is super nice. Maybe they are worth the fucking money, but these were on sale. The experiment date is coming up, so never had those. Would definitely recommend. This experiment is going hella good. The lamper. That was delicious. I wanna go get more. I wanna hunt them. Now I wanna hunt quails. Go to the bush. Take their eggs. Like a little rat. Think about the eggs. When egg plops and then raw chicken grows from an egg. Man, how cool is that? Too bad. I don't really like raw chicken eggs. I don't really like chicken eggs. Even though they make this magic. How cool is that? Some people say eggs are such a good superfood because it has everything to make a raw chicken into this existence. But also, for whatever reason, there's some stuff there and human beings are so damaged. And these chickens eat such unnatural diets that they ain't supposed to. That many people are allergic to eggs. Chicken eggs. Maybe not quail eggs. Quail's a little bit more in the wild still. Living that natural life. Like real G's. I wanna eat these. This one already, I dropped it before the video. Let's see if it is. This one is little raw still. That's that Arjun's Wonder Plant style eating eggs. It's pretty cool. These quail eggs are really good, I have to say. They were still pretty expensive though, even when they were on sale. But that's that raw, those wild animals. Why are they the most expensive food products out there? Because they're the best ones and the most nutritious ones. That's freaking why. Too bad. That's why I should go steal some of the quail's eggs next freaking spring. My daddy actually used to do that when he was a child. That's probably why he became so freaking smart. He used to know all the bird egg spots, and he knows all the birds. What a genius my dad is. Too bad he didn't teach me these lessons. But you gotta learn something on your own also. And these quail eggs are good. That one that was a little bit more solid, that was the one. But yeah, raw chicken eggs. I'm not that big of a fan. I like the Danish. Like the taste, yes. But if I eat them too much, many days in a row, I get this depression out of nowhere. Then I stop eating chicken eggs, raw or cooked or whatever. My depression goes away. So I have some sort of mild allergic reaction to the chickens, or maybe the chicken eggs, raw chicken eggs, just detoxify my body so good when I eat them. The toxicity of my past living is leaving my body, and that causes some growth pains. I don't know about that. But yeah, that's why I don't really eat raw chicken eggs. I let them eggs grow into a raw chicken. Then I let the raw chicken grow around, live a little. Then I eat the raw chicken. It's a pretty nice deal. But for these quails, the actual quail meat is actually pretty freaking good also. But these eggs though, we're gonna make this power drink right here. But yeah, these are insanely expensive. But also super good. These ones are really hard to try. Come on, man. If Rocky would have eaten raw quail eggs, he wouldn't need those steroids. Am I right? Am I right, guys? And if he did, he'd work out so much. Cracking raw chicken eggs a little easier because they're bigger. I want to taste ostrich egg next. Go from the smallest to the biggest ones. Alright, let's go. There they are. Some motherfucking quail eggs. Let's freaking go. They look so cute. Little balls. Wow. The egg yolk, it's better than chicken for sure. Super rich taste. A little bit of buttery. It just tastes amazing, like most of the animal foods. Most of the animal foods taste so freaking amazing. Just on their raw, natural state. What the fuck does that tell you, geniuses out there? Because everybody who watches base science are genius. It ain't hard to see. Everybody genius over here. Except Lisa, who said she almost puked watching my shorts. You weak, Lisa. Shut up, Lisa. Get some raw chicken in you and stop being a weak bitch. That's how far we are as human beings. Which one is better though? Quail eggs or raw chicken? We're gonna have to see the effects. If I get depressed from little quail eggs, never gonna buy those again. But I love the taste. What's that bird? I know what it is. And I know the Finnish word that has the magnificent thing on its back. Like the green colors, like little eyes. I think it's the male one. I'm trying to get some pussy with those feathers. I wonder how that bird's eggs taste. I would like to taste some of those. What about swan eggs? I saw a couple swans just a couple days ago, and when I was filming one for base science, like real close. If I would had a gun, I could have taken out 2 big swans. I bet swan meat tastes amazing. I bet it's a little bit darker. Swan eggs must be huge. They must be delicious also. But swans are so beautiful and magnificent because they pair bonding. They pair bond maxing. Unlike we human beings. So I don't wanna, if you kill a swan, you have to kill the partner also. You cannot leave the other one alone. That would be too cruel. Even for a predator like me. They were amazing. Quail eggs. Real good. Yes, go. See you in the next one. Geniuses.